We're here at Disney's Old Key West Resort at Disney Vacation Club Resort. In fact, the very first one ever built. And we're staying in a one-bedroom villa. This is a fairly large hotel room, so it's going to be a lengthy tour. But if you're interested, it'll be worth your time. Personally, my favorite. I love Old Key West. I love the vibe. And I love these rooms. So upon entry, we have a closet, vacuum, fire extinguisher, a couple of hangers. Probably could use a couple more up here, but I'm sure there's more in the other room we could move over if need be. Very spacious entry closet. We have a mirror. We have a shelf upon entry. Nice wide entry area. Let's start out in the living room. Okay. So here we are out in the living room, and it is the largest living room space of any, I believe, of the Disney Vacation Club rooms. And that's probably because it was the first built before they started designing for economy, right? I'm gonna lower the temperature, it's a little warm. There we go. Speaking of that, there's your temperature control. Here we've got some coral art on the wall. Chairs and sofas. We'll look at which of these pull out in a few moments. We'll figure that out. The TV. This is my favorite living room setup. I love the TV in the kitchen island. Although ours looks like it's falling down, maybe. I'll look into this later. It does look a little crooked. Is it, or is it just the angle I was at? It's slightly crooked. Slightly crooked. It'll be all right, I think. There's a DVD player down there and such. We have a nice kitchen table. There's a nice, I guess like a food prep area. There's some more counter space, essentially, over here. Maybe a bar, I guess it could be. And lots of storage space here. That's why Old Key West was really designed for what Vacation Club was meant to be, which was, you know, bigger families, more space, staying longer. So this is a real kitchen. Lots and lots of space for whatever you need. That's why I think these are the most comfortable. They're the most homey, and that's why I love them. We have a Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer. There's our freezer. Never mind, we do have some stuff in the fridge, but you get the idea. Sorry, we're having a bit of a party here this evening for my birthday. So that's a big reason why we got this. We wanted to find a Disney hotel room with enough space to have a few close friends over. So yeah, here's our kitchen. We have the Whirlpool microwave. We have a Whirlpool oven and stovetop. We have the Sunbeam toaster. We have no shortage of space here for things. And this is, see, I remember whatever resort we were at last, we were like, oh, it's locked, but I know at other DVC resorts, you do have that storage space above the refrigerator. We got lots and lots. We got cabinets for days here and all your supplies you could possibly need. So what we found was in the studios, they're not stocking any cups or glasses or anything, but they're very much stocking all that still in the 1 and 2 bedrooms. Now we have a mixer. That's fantastic. Wow. I didn't even know we had that. More cabinet space. The sink. We also have the food disposal. You got all these drawers here. We got all sorts of knives. We get the recycling. I assume our garbage is under here. It sure is. Extra paper towels. The paper towel is there as well. Here's our dish. We have a Whirlpool dishwasher. Mr. Coffee and all of our coffee supplies. Silverware. pots. I assume all of our pans are in here. This is the stove. Yeah, we got all our pans stuff in there. So yeah, I mean a fully functional kitchen. With lots of space, nice kitchen table. You can really feel like you're living at Disney World. I also love this lamp. I love lamp. The Mickey guard chair, lifeguard chair. Very cute. Our resort phone, remote, all those things here. I love this carpet. Look at the hidden Mickey. It's a great carpet. I haven't been in these since they remodeled, and I liked them before. They were honestly a little dated, but I think they're great now. Conch flats, very cute. Lamp. All right, let's go out here. We have a really spacious patio. Again, just so much room. Here we have our 4 chairs and our patio table. You can have a nice meal out here. Have drinks out on your patio. We have a beautiful view of the lake. They're not running currently, but I loved one time Jason stayed here on the bottom floor, but this looked right out at the water and the Sassagoula River boats were going by, and I just thought that was the most magical thing ever. I actually just heard a golf swing too. We're right off. We're actually, I didn't even notice. We are on the golf course. There's a green right there. A green is where the hole is for those of you who aren't golfers at home. So let's come back in here, but isn't that wonderful? So yeah, let's go look at more of this magical room. I love it. I just feel like I'm at home. In the hallway, we have some art. We have a map of the Florida Reefs. Coast chart number 71. I don't know if that's intentional or not. 1971 is when Disney World opened. So here is the bedroom, which I'll tell you is a little dark for me. We have all the lights on. The only overhead light is that one. There's not one there. It's just a little dark for me. Still very pleasant, and you can always let in natural light, but you know, for a hotel, I don't know, expect a little more light. You have some drawers in here. We have 3 more drawers here. We have lots of USB and standard outlets, 4 of each. Samsung TV. We have our own little door out to the patio. Our windows. We have our own phone, our remote. Lamp number 1. We have 2 more drawers on this side. Beautiful headboard. I love the headboard. Same thing on this side. I'm sad they didn't do USB over here. That would have been nice. Probably in the next soft goods refurb, I would assume that'll happen. Some cute art. Chair in the corner. I think in the next soft goods, but they did bring this unit in, which does give you have more than enough. They just may not. I like to have my phone close, use my phone as an alarm clock. I think most people do. Okay, let's go. I'm going to start through here. Let's go through the laundry. So here's the laundry room. We have an ironing board and iron. We have, this is actually the washer and dryer I have at home, which they work great. I like them very much. These are both GE units. There's a dryer. There's your washer. You have a hamper. See, I know what this one is because it's not a pop-out one. Okay, so we have the bathroom has, we have the toilet in this room with the shower. 2 shower heads. Mounted toiletries. It's a nice little shower. Again, for the natural light, I love this, the fogged window. Take a look at the vanity. Very spacious vanity. Lots of room, lots of little cubbies. There's also some space there. There's no way you don't have enough space here, right? I know this does sleep a lot of people, but I think you have more than enough counter space for several people. And if not, everyone has cubbies. There's a good amount of room here. There's the toilet. And then we come in here, we have another great big vanity. Big mirror. Yeah, again, tons of counter space. You have the little lip up there. We have all this space up here. We have the cubbies. You have that cabinet. Really just lots of space. You have outlets, lots of switches. This controls the fan right here. And what's really cool, I love this tub. Spa tub, jacuzzi tub. I don't know what you even call this, but very cool. It does have the window out to the bedroom, which I know some people are weird about this. Some people don't like this. I think it's great if I don't know, if your significant other's in here and you're watching TV, you can have a conversation. They can watch the TV from the seat. I think it's a nice offering. I like this. I wish more of the resorts had this setup. The new art is great. It's Mickey and Minnie holding hands, looking out at the ocean. Very cute. We do have, there's no door to this, by the way, so this does separate from the other bathroom, with the toilet and the shower. You have a door, you have a full-length mirror on it. And here we have another closet. There are a lot of hangers in here. You could always call it more hangers. And I feel like if you're gonna actually fill this one bedroom, you might want some more. The safe is in here too. It's one with a key. And our extra bedding and such is there as well. I think that's it. I think we did it. Yeah, my only concern might be, you know, having one toilet for so many people, but I think you can make it work. I think people make it work for a long time. Okay, so it's time to start looking at the other beds in here. This indeed opens up, this chair, and is one of the American leather, right? This one doesn't say it, but it looks the same as all the American leather ones. And we're gonna pull this guy out. Woo! Isn't that fun? I don't know how comfortable this is. I've never slept on the single one. I can tell you after, but that is a bed for someone. There you go. And so yeah, we got that one open. Let's work on the other one. Let's get this guy open. All right, so this one is not American leather. This is different. This is an Ethan Allen. I don't think I've seen an Ethan Allen at the other resorts. Some people don't like these, though. I think that's why they switched to the American leather. Personally, this feels way more comfortable. I think I like this better than the American leather one, personally. So yeah, how many people does this sleep? One there, two there, and another two in here. Yeah. I think technically it says it sleeps 5. You could put 3 people in there if you really wanted to. Yeah. But that is, this one doesn't open. Obviously, you can't open into another bed. But this is, yeah, 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Old Key West. One of my favorites. I think it's super charming. It's a great way to feel like you're living at Disney World. Have lots of space. Just a really wonderful place. I think classic Disney charm and just a homey feel. Good place if you're going to bring a lot of your family and it's going to stay for a while.